You search how to buy shares of Borouge PLC, and this quick guide will show the practical steps. Borouge PLC is an Abu Dhabi petrochemicals company that makes polyolefins and related materials, listed on the ADX under the ticker BOROUGE.DH. This is educational information and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account, usually by submitting an identity document, and you will need to add funds to your account before buying. Use the broker search box and type the ticker BOROUGE.DH to find the correct listing. Check the search results carefully to select the Borouge PLC listing on the ADX. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for Borouge.DH. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker to make sure this is the correct stock before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest, choose the amount you want to buy, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next open, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before the order can complete. After the trade is executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the demo link to eToro is in the description below.